My friend Luces wants a walnut shoe organizer, and we're gonna give it to her. So first step, finish milling this wood, resawing and planing, and then gluing up the book mat shelves. And that'll probably be it for today. I'm not sure how much of a difference the feather board made, but it did make me feel a lot safer. Now I need to resaw these boards, and the limit of my bandsaw is 6 inches. Maybe in the future I'll get a taller bandsaw. And mark it from the other side too. Stay in between the lines. A little weird at the end, but it's all over this knot, so I'm not going to use that anymore. And now for a finished cut on the other side. All right, let's glue these up. I want to put some biscuits in here. 2 tricks I want to use this time. I've heard that if you sprinkle salt along the joint or help prevent slippage. Second trick is I've got these ready to go, and hopefully that'll keep these joints from buckling up. Let's clean up this raggedy edge that New tricks.
Wow, this thing is tall.
So I'm gonna test this out, and if it looks good, I'll put a coat on the real project. Halfway decent. Gotta keep it saturated. All right, so this is oil, and it's got like a light shine. That's warm satin with a light sand on it after just a few hours. I think that's fine. That's too shiny. Let's knock it down a little. If it looks good with a light 400 and then some paste wax, then I'll do that basically over the entire project. Let's see how it goes. All right, proof of concept. It works.